guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize watermark on your Samsung Galaxy F14. So let's start, open the camera app, then go to the settings and tap on the watermark. Now you can see there you have a few options to edit. You can add your own text here, add date and time. You can also change the font and the place of the watermark. Like this one. If you're ready, go back to the camera, take your photo, and the customize the watermark should appear in the one of in the right bottom corner. Sorry, this phone is extremely slow. Yeah, there we have a customize the watermark, and this is a default or one. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.